What is going on, guys? So we just stopped by to see Nick, and you know what? He said he got rid of his Mustang. This is what he's all about now. Just kidding. We got the 2018 GT over here, a single turbo car. Nick has been doing some work on this thing. Hey, what does he want to do with the stock exhaust? I want it.
Messaged him about it because I think he was just gonna, he wants it back, but I think he's just gonna keep it.
Is his the changing one? Did it have a plug on it?
It's right there. I don't think so.
Oh, okay. Never mind, it's just factory quad tip. Still pretty cool looking. Nick has been cranking on this thing. Front bumper off, torn down. Intercooler. So this car already has a set of G-Force half shafts in it, the 2018 GT. Pretty much the suspension looks pretty similar to the previous year S550. Obviously 10 speed, 10R80. Still a 2-piece drive shaft, so he's going to need to go to a 1-piece. And see, the 10R80 looks significantly different underneath the car. Then Nick said, so they got the manifold off. They're gonna route the manifold over. No, he said the turbo is gonna sit here, and then it's gonna go right into the intercooler, come around, and go up in there. So we got some UPR banners that we picked up from Steve at UPR from Bradenton. I'm gonna bring these over to Nick. Banners.
Are these tire covers?
Yeah, but one is the tire cover. So we have Turdzilla here. We're gonna be working on some things on that today. I think the alternator took a crap. Literally, the car just turned off when it made it over here. There's a lot of cool stuff out here. I showed you guys that last time. 350Z, 300ZX, S2000. This is really cool. Nick said he also picked up a new trailer. So I'm gonna look for that. I think it's over there. And then Justin Bradbury's twin turbo car. I showed this car a long time ago. This car is gonna get some work done by Nick soon. It basically needs some PCM help. There was some issues with the PCM, but this thing is really cool. So what I'm gonna do right now is pull off the alternator so that I can replace it, and hopefully that fixes the issues that we've been having. So I just took the battery terminal off. We're gonna pull the belt off and then the 2 bolts on the bottom. I know some people were commenting about not having the alternator bracket for the top. I just don't have it in my parts. I'm not sure if this one is, I guess that's supposed to bolt to the back bolt, but I'm not too sure. Luckily the alternator in these cars are really easy to pull. The only major issue currently is that it's very hot. That is why we have a towel. I'm gonna put down the camera. And just like that, the alternator is out. Pull this out of here. See that, Nick? I can do work on some cars. Well, that was quick.
Yeah, really quick.
All right, I'm gonna throw this in the car, and I guess we'll see if it works. At least it looks better. All right, just like that, the alternator is in. So now we're gonna test it. All right, we got it hooked up. Let's see if it starts. Pretty much should start. Just the question if it's gonna hold its own voltage. Guess I'm just gonna let it charge up a little bit. I mean, battery voltage is shown pretty good, but... So that's the turbo that's gonna be going on the 2018 over there. Nick's over here working on brake lines for a Honda. Nick secretly loves Hondas.
Not. Whatever makes it look.
Hey, this one's pretty cool. I mean, race car, dude. So Nick and I have been trying to figure it out. We had to push start to get started, but it looks like we found a bad fuse, so I'm gonna take a look at that. Look at him. A little soldering action. All right. I think it's broke, dude. I don't know what this one does.
Probably the regulator shoes.
Yep, I can see a brake. Oh yeah, this feels right. Bam, bam. Oh yeah, it's got the Recaro. It's nice.
Yeah, he's never signed a Honda Civic before.
Oh, I love it. I'm not getting out.
Mustang interior. Yeah, it is 1 Plus.
All right, let her rip, Tater Chip.
Well, push me forward real quick.
Push you forward. Again. Let her rip, Tater Chip. Oh yeah. Dude, this thing's a race car. Sounds like a V8. Ah! You're trying to kill me. Put it at 10. For the record, Nick just stalled it. Living the Honda life. It's grabby. Man. Oh yeah. You guys better watch out. I'm gonna join the Honda gang. S2000. This thing's cool. Has an insanely grabby clutch. This thing's cool. This is some stuff that Ricky's working on over here. So basically Nick and Ricky are working together. Ricky does a lot of fabrication stuff. As you can see, those welds are beautiful. This is kind of his corner. This is an RB 26 240SX. Very, very cool. That one might be an SR. Let's see. Looks like it. Then obviously the 2018 GT over there. Alright, we spent all day on this damn thing.
So when the belt broke on Andrew 900 times, it broke the ground on the bottom of the front cover. So we reattached it, voila, it works fine.
So we did replace the alternator for no reason, but this is a new one and it's probably a good idea to just have a good one in there.
18.8, charging like a beast.
It's about time. God damn. Alright, now that we finally figured out the car, we're going to tackle the UPR subframe connectors. That seat is heavy. We need to do something about that. So I just hit the jackpot on weight reduction. All of these dryer sheets, this is going to make me lose a lot of weight right here. Yep. Oh yeah, I'm gonna lose a lot of weight doing this. This is pretty gross. That's nice. No rust, luckily. Dude, this shit's gross. Dude, I'm telling you, I'm doing hella weight reduction right now. Dude, look at all that weight reduction. That's gross. All right, so these are the UPR subframe connectors. Those are some nice glasses. Check those out.
Yeah, man, they're $1.
Man, you know, working on Nissans, working on Hondas, now working on Turdzilla. You know, Don would be proud of you.
Who?
Don.
Oh yeah, why's that?
I don't know. He likes Turdzilla. We need to get Don back down here. He can do some more shit to his car.
Don said I had to have my car running when he came back. It's not running though.
Nick has his trusty welder here, and he's gonna get cracking. So I took this picture earlier of Turdzilla looking bagged and I posted it on Facebook. I'm sorry guys, I had to meme you. Sorry Mike. But Nick is laying down some nasty welds in the subframe connectors too. So Nick just got the subframe connectors welded in. Very nice.
Do a nice little shot like this and straight down. Good.
So we got Turdzilla and Modzilla. How we looking? Oh yeah.
Pretty good. Not too bad.
Nice. Very nice, sir. She's gonna be stiff. For the record, for all those that commented, yes, I did put the tires on the wrong way. Come on, make mistakes. All right, we got Turdzilla pulled out. This is gonna be Nick's project for tomorrow, is a clutch in this 370Z. These are nice cars, I like them. Still waiting on some parts for this, I believe. Right?
What?
What are you waiting on this thing?
Ricky's still doing more fab, I believe. I think that's all we're waiting on now.
Oh, okay, because Ricky's doing the
Manifold.
hot side and manifold and...
He's finishing up these cars right here.
Yeah, I showed the RB 240.
Custom manifold. That's all the pieces for it and flamed. And then this is basically just about what it's going to look like.
That's so nice.
He makes these from scratch, so I mean he makes everything you see from scratch.
That's good stuff.
He does drift cars, tube fronts, roll cages, pro mods, you know, you name it. It's all nice stuff too. So if you need anything custom fabricated or built for your car, definitely give us a call. The Sellers Racing Performance in Florida Auto Surgeons.
There'll be a link down there. Yeah. Plus, Bring your Mustang to Nick. Nick likes working on Mustangs all day.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I mean, he's been over here working on Hondas, and although that S2000 is pretty beastly over there.
Yeah, that thing's nasty. It makes 500 horsepower.
500 wheel out of 4-banger Honda Civic. Or, not Honda Civic. Oh my god, I'm gonna get flamed.
It's okay.
S2000, sorry, it cannot be anywhere compared to a Civic. That's like the god of all Hondas, isn't it? Besides the NSX.
Basically.
I like these cars. I think we should coyote swap one day. What do you think, Nick?
I don't know if the engine is big enough, to be honest with you.
We can always make it
I know
fit.
they LS swap them.
Yeah, LS can be done. I don't know. Let's make a coyote fit. We're gonna pull this beautiful thing in. Damn. This thing has like a start button somewhere over here. There it is. Whenever Nick gets that thing moved. This S2000 is pretty cool. Gonna move it into there. The clutch is insanely grabby on this thing. Smells straight E85. Oh, I love the smell of corn. Where's the stop button? There it is. Nope, that's this. That's what it is. And how do I get out? Oh, there it is. Oh my god, I'm a Honda noob. Oh, this thing's nice.
Yeah, I wouldn't mind one of these ones.
With a coyote in it. Look at all that room! Look at all this room! I mean, the solution is just put a coyote in everything. Put a coyote in this Honda Civic. Put it in one of these. I respect the RB. Yo, there's just some sick shades, bro. It's a little dark out though.
I wear them for the morning.
2018 GT. Modzilla.
That's an RB motor.
There's 6 cylinders, bro. What's up with that?
You got everything.
Alright, successful day. Car starts up. And subframe connectors are in. And no more problems. Yay.